Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about slow productive day, and yeah, let's go into it. But unfortunately the weather is not supporting today because as you can see, the weather is not in the mood to shoot a video. But so yeah, for right now I have literally two things to do. So make matcha myself, and also the second thing is eat breakfast to eat at breakfast. And the second thing is like I feel like this time I like to drink coffee, cold coffee, so I just want to make sure. So the weather is so cool and I just want to make like drink a cold coffee, and it's a perfect for me. And yeah, let's go. Guys, so I'm back and I brought some like a cute stuff in my plate. Like it's my breakfast right now. I eat like now I'm eating like bananas half sliced and almonds and pistachios. You know, pistachios are really my favorite. I really love pistachios, and for that, and also I brought a little cute cold coffee. So yeah, let's do it. Now, yeah, it's time to write journaling because it's starting month of October, so it's time to write all the October goals. And yeah, now listen to some music and let's go. So yeah, now I have to go out. So I just want to do a mini get ready with me. I'm in a hurry, so let's go. I'ma leave my autograph. Dollar bills. So yeah, I'm done with my skincare and makeup, so it's time to change my outfit, and yeah, let's go. Hi Chippu. Hi. So finally completed my outing session and I came back to home. So again I'm going down because some parcels are there. So I need to collect them and come back, and yeah, waiting for the lift. After that I need to eat something and get the energy back and then do on a work. I have a little work, so I'll be showing you. So hey guys, so I'm back with my basics right now. So now I'm going to do like unready with me because I have makeup all over my face, so I just need to cleanse it. So right now I'm using this cleansing water. It's from Garnier. I really like this. Actually I already used the pink one, but I would recommend the pink one is really a far better than this. If you have a dry skin, then you can go with this. If you have normal skin or combination skin, then you can go with the pink one. It's a great choice. Now it's time to get rid of my makeup on, like to wash my face and come back to you. Yeah, let's go. My work, and yeah, and it's a wrap, I guess. So I completed all my schedules today, and now it's time to sleep. I guess it's 10:30 right now, so it's totally me time. I before going to bed, I hope you like this video and enjoyed a lot. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my. Comment down what should I have to do for the next vlog, and see you next Saturday. Until then, bye guys, see you.